Among 28 analysts covering BB&T Corporation, New York Stock Exchange BBT, 9 have buy rating, 1 sell and 18 hold. Therefore 32% are positive. BB&T Corporation has $52.0 highest and $35 lowest target. $45.92 seconds average target is minus 3.33% below current's $47.5 stock price. BB&T Corporation had 73 analyst reports since July 17, 2015 according to SRatingsIntel. The firm has hold rating by Oppenheimer given on Wednesday, August 19. The firm has Outperform rating given on Monday, May 16 by Suntrust Robinson. The company was downgraded on Monday, March 28 by Piper Jaffray. The firm has Underweight rating given on Friday, October 20 by Morgan Stanley. Jefferies maintained it with hold rating and $4,900 target in Thursday, June 8 report. RBC Capital Markets maintained the stock with buy rating in Thursday, October 19 report. Barclays Capital maintained BB&T Corporation, New York Stock Exchange BBT, on Wednesday, April 6 with Equalweight rating. The rating was maintained by Robert W. Baird on Friday, August 25 with hold. The company was maintained on Thursday, July 20 by Oppenheimer. The firm earned Underweight rating on Monday, November 14 by Morgan Stanley. Doheny Asset Management increased Advanced Micro Devic, AMD, staked by 127.08% reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. Doheny Asset Management acquired 69,180 shares as Advanced Micro Devic, AMD, stock declined 13.10%. The Doheny Asset Management holds 123,620 shares with $1.54 million value, up from 54,440 last quarter. Advanced Micro Devic now has $13.08 B valuation. The stock decreased 1.00% or 14 cents during the last trading session, reaching $13.81. About 19,859 shares traded. Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD, has risen 202.65% since October 23, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 185.95% the S&P 500. Among 27 analysts covering Advanced Micro, Nasdaq AMD, 10 have buy rating, 4 sell and 13 hold. Therefore 37% are positive. Advanced Micro had 72 analyst reports since August 13, 2015 according to SRatingsIntel. Macquarie Research downgraded the stock to underperform rating in Tuesday, May 2 report. On Thursday, August 13 the stock rating was initiated by Piper Capital Markets with hold. Barclays Capital maintained the stock with Underweight rating in Wednesday, October 4 report. The rating was maintained by Wells Fargo on Wednesday, July 5 with buy. The firm earned hold rating on Thursday, July 20 by Stifel Nicolaus. The rating was maintained by Deutsche Bank with hold on Wednesday, September 14. On Thursday, June 16 the stock rating was upgraded by Canaccord Genuity to hold. Wells Fargo maintained Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD, on Monday, July 31 with buy rating. The firm has Market Perform rating by BMO Capital Markets given on Wednesday, July 26. On Wednesday, August 30 the stock rating was maintained by Bank of America with buy. Since April 28, 2017, it had 0 buys and 11 insider sales for $7.97 million activity. $896,000 worth of Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD, was sold by Solicity Smith Darla M. sold $174,495 worth of Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD, on Wednesday, May 3. Kumar Devender had sold 94,199 shares worth $960,879. $825,625 worth of Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD, was sold by Norad Forest Eugene. Another trade for 46,875 shares valued at $597,656 was made by Will and Harriet on Thursday, June 8. Anderson James Roberts sold $270,000 worth of stock or 20,000 shares. Investors' sentiment decreased to 1.28 in Q2 2017. It's down 0.47 from 1.75 in 2017 Q1. It fell as 68 investors sold AMD shares, while 98 reduced holdings. 72 funds opened positions, while 141 raised stakes. 543.78 million shares, or 4.31% more from 521.31 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. 2.90 M are owned by Quantitative MNGMT LC. ClearArc Incorporated stated it has 0.04% of its portfolio in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. Valley National Advisors Incorporated holds 0% of its portfolio in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD, for 14 shares. Regal Invest Advisors Limited Liability Company reported 0.03% in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. State Street has invested 0.04% of its portfolio in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. Sequoia Finkel Advisor Limited Liability has invested 0.03% in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. Teachers Retirement Size of the State of Kentucky invested 0.02% in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. Finkel Bank of Montreal can reported 0.01% in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. BNP Paribas Arbitrage SA has invested 0.06% in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. DuPont Management holds 2,780 shares, or 0% of its portfolio. Creative Planning accumulated 201,998 shares. Sitgas at MGMT has invested 0.01% of its portfolio in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. The New Mexico-based New Mexico Educational Retirement Board has invested 0.05% in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. QS Limited Liability Corporation holds 0%, or 9,076 shares. Hood River Capital Management reported 1.56% of its portfolio in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, Nasdaq AMD. Doheny Asset Management decreased Energous Corporation, Nasdaq Watt, staked by 39,501 shares to 930,175 valued at $15.13 million in 2017 Q2. It also reduced SRC Energy Incorporated staked by 75,900 shares and now owns 12,400 shares. Check PT Software F, Nasdaq CHKP, was reduced to. BB&T Corporation is a financial holding company. The company has market cap of $38.38 billion. The firm conducts its business primarily through its bank subsidiary, branch banking and trust company and other non-bank subsidiaries. It has a 17.66 PE ratio. The company's divisions include community banking, residential mortgage banking, dealer financial services, specialized lending, insurance holdings and financial services. The stock increased 1.67%, or 78 cents on October 20, reaching $47.5. About shares traded. BB&T Corporation, New York Stock Exchange BBT, has risen 20.68% since October 23, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 3.98% the S&P 500. BB&T Corporation received news and ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our free daily email newsletter.